Welcome to the Resogra Vendor Academy. Getting your very first sales is the hardest part of selling online, so in this video we'll set up a simple starter playbook. You'll feature your best product, create a small launch offer, and announce it to your customers. Let's begin. Start an edit website and scroll to featured products. Pick the one product you're most proud of, your best photo or your best seller. Featured products show first on your storefront, so new visitors see your strongest item right away, and that first impression is what turns a browser into a buyer. Now open that product and set an attractive launch price. A small, honest discount for your opening week gives people a reason to buy now instead of later. Round, friendly numbers feel fair, so price it at a level that still covers your costs but feels like a real deal. Just below the price, check your stock quantity. Before you invite anyone, make sure you actually have enough on hand to fill the orders you're hoping for. Nothing hurts a new store more than selling out on day one and having to cancel, so set a comfortable amount here. With your offer ready, it's time to tell people. Open vendor email marketing and start a new campaign. Write a short, warm subject line and message in both English and French, so every customer reads it in their own language. Mention your opening offer and keep it friendly. Add your store link as the button. This is how you share your shop. The button takes readers straight to your storefront with one tap. Paste your Resogra store address here, so no one has to go searching for you. Finally, choose who receives your email, then save it as a draft so you can review it before it goes out. Send it to your followers and past customers, the people most likely to buy first. And that's your starter playbook: feature, offer, announce. That's the whole playbook: feature your best product, create a small launch offer, and announce it to your customers. 3 simple steps to your first sales. Thanks for watching, and visit resogra.com for more free vendor tutorials.